Let's go to the next section and talk about address changes. Okay, so credit or debit cards. Okay, so this is a special rule that applies just to those cards. And the way this rule says is you can't issue a subsequent card. So you've issued them a card. You can't give them another card or any kind of replacement card unless you've notified the customer at their former address, right? Because we're worried about identity theft here, right? If I get access to somebody's card and I request another card mailed to a different address so I can steal it, that's what they're worried about here. So if somebody requests a replacement card, you either have to notify the customer at their former address or notify them through some other means previously agreed. So maybe you have a special contact line. Maybe you've agreed that you're going to text them, send them emails, whatever it is, or go through some other reasonable means. Okay. And it could be some of those out-of-pocket questions or something along those lines. But the key here is if somebody requests a replacement card, we're really concerned about potential theft of those access devices. So you shouldn't do that address change and send accommodate an address change unless you verified that and notified the customer that really is the customer who's requesting it. Okay. Used to be everybody would just send it to the old address. Now there's a lot of new ways for you to go through and go through some other reasonable means to evaluate the validity of that request. Okay, you probably have a process that's a little more technical than just sending a notice to the previous address that you had on file. But we do need to document that process because we are concerned about the theft of these access devices.